Hi everyone, and this is Sandeep. You are watching Samyan's Academy, and in this session we are going to discuss about CBSE 2024 Maths Basic Paper. Let us start now. The first question they given that here a equal to 2 power 7 into 3 power 10 and b equal to 2 power 3 into 3 power 7. The HCF of a comma b is. Then how do you get this? For HCF, you take the common factor with the lowest power. Common factor with lowest power. You take common factor with lowest power. So here we have the 2 power 7 and here we have 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 is the lowest power. So just you take this 2 power 3. Okay. And the next factor in the first one we have 3 power 10. In the second one we have 3%. So which is the lowest power? 3%. Okay. You take common factors with lowest power. So that is your SCF. Right. So answer is C here. Okay. And the next question we have here. A system of linear equation is given by a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Okay, here we have the two conditions for this. A1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Okay, once the c1 by c2 is equal, and in the second example a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Means the given system has no solution or has infinite number of solutions. So here option D is matching. Okay, move on to the next question. The coordinates of the midpoints of line segment joining the points A 3 comma minus 1 and B 7 comma 5 are 5A comma 2B. So the value of A plus B is. Now you see here the coordinates of the midpoints we have to find out here. So let us say this is coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment joining the points here x1 y1 and this is what x2 y2. Okay, so you just add this here x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this gives you the value of 5a to b and make it equal to 5a and 2b. So what is x1 here? X1 plus x2. So 5 x1 is 3 here. So 3 plus 7 by 2 and minus 1 plus 5 by 2. So which is equal to 5a comma 2b. Okay, and 3 plus 7 is 10. So 10 by 2 and this is 4 by 2 equal to 5a comma 2b. Okay, this we can write as 5 comma 2 and which is equal to 5a comma 2b. Now what you have to do, this 5 you make it equal to 5a and this 2 you make it equal to 2b. Okay, and here we have the 5 equal to 5a, 5 equal to 5a, then a equal to 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. So a value is 1 and here 2 is equal to 2b. So make it y coordinates are equal here. So here in this case, so b equal to 2 by 2, so b value is 1 here. Okay, then a value is 1 and b value 1. So which answer is matching here? We need to find the a plus b value, right? Yes? Yeah. And just you add this a plus b. So a plus b, so which is equal to 1 plus 1, so this is equal to 2. Yes, here option C is matching. Right. Now in the question number 4, the equation 3x square plus 12 equal to 0. So for this you need to find the b square minus 4ac value 0. So if b, let us say this is the a value is 3, right? So a equal to 3 and there is no b value. So b value, let us assume that is 0 and the c value is 12. C value is 12. So this we can write as a b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac. You find the value of b square minus 4ac. Minus 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 12 minus 144. So this you will get minus 144 is the negative value you are getting. So if it is negative, so b square minus 4 is a negative value means, so no real roots are exist. So option B are matching. So option B is matching, right? Next question here we have in the given figure in triangle ABC. So D is parallel to BC. Then which of the following equality holds? Okay, and here we have the relation. So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now you see this is AD by BD is equal to AE by C. So which one is matching your option? AD by BD is equal to AE by AC. Your option C is matching. Okay. Now a line which intersects a circle in two distinct points is called as secant, right? So the line, so this is what circle, right? So this is circle. When you draw the line like this line intersects the circle at two points, two distinct points, two different points, and this line we called as secant. And in the question number 7, so if tan A equal to tan A equal to 3 by 4, then find the sin square A plus cos square A by sec A value. Already you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 1 by sec A. So 1 by sec A is equal to cos A. So we need to find the cos A value. So just you draw the triangle, right angle triangles. Okay, so right angle triangle, you draw the right angle triangle here. So let us say this is a right angle triangle, and here we have the tan A. Okay, so tan A, so tan A equal to 3 by 4, so where 3 is opposite and 4 is adjacent, right? So when you apply the Pythagoras formula, so you will get hypotenuse here 5, 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagoras triplets, right? So then cos A, so how do you get this cos A? So cos A equal to adjacent side of triangle ABC. So which is the adjacent side of cos A? So that is what? AB here, and hypotenuse side is AC, right? So AB value is 4 and AC value is 5, so our answer is 4 by 5. Here option B is matching. Okay, so put a tick mark on option B now. Now come to the next question. A car is moving away from the base of 30-meter high tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the car at an instant when the car is 10√3 meter away from the base of the tower is. Okay, so a car is moving away from the base of a 30-meter high tower. So what is the height of the tower? The height of the tower is 30 meter, right? So that, let us say this is height of the tower, that is 30 meter. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the car at an instant when the car is 10√3 meter away from the base of the tower. Okay, so the car is 10√3 meter away from the base of the tower. So we need to find this angle of elevation. Let us say this is theta. So which angle gives which trigonometric ratio gives the relation between the opposite and adjacent? That is what? Tan theta, right? So apply the tan theta formula and get the angle of elevation. Okay, so tan theta equal to tan theta. So tan theta equal to opposite side to the angle theta, that is 30. Then adjacent side to the angle 30 is 10√3. Okay, so here 0 0 cancel, 3 by root 3 we are getting it. So 3 by root 3, how we can write this? 3 by root 3, 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3. Okay, by root 3. So root 3 get cancelled and root 3. In tan where that root 3 will come? So where that root 3 will come? So tan theta equal to root 3, right? So where we will get this root 3? So root 3, yeah, that is what? Tan 60, right? So here theta value is 60 degrees. The angle of elevation is how much here? That is 60 degrees. So option D is matching. The next question, when the degree measure of an angle subtended by an arc at the center of circle is 90 degrees, the area of the corresponding sector of the circle of the radius is R is. Now you see, what is that? This is the circle, right? So when you make the 4 equal parts of the circle like this, just you make the 4 equal parts to the circle, means we are making, just we are dividing 360 degrees by 4, right? Then the 360 degrees by 4, it will give the 90 degrees each, right? So what is the angle of each one? That is 90 degrees. Okay, so this is 90 degrees. Yeah, it is a 1/4 of the circle, right? So the area of the circle is pi r square. The 1/4 of the circle is 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay, so the answer is your matching is 1 by 4 pi r square. The total area of the circle is pi r square. So in this 1/4 part of the circle is 90 degrees, right? So 360 by 90, 360 degrees. So the total whole angle of the circle is 360, right, at the center. So that 360 by 90 means it's a 4th part of the circle, right? So when you make the circle into 4 parts, when you make the area of the circle into 4 parts, then you will get this 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay, is it clear everyone? Okay, so the next question we have your the value of x for which the class mark of the class interval is 30 minus x 36 is. Okay, so how do you get this class mark? lower class limit plus upper class limit by 2. So we will get the class that is 36. Lower class limit is here how much? So they given that it's a 30 minus x is 36. The value of x for which class mark of the class interval 30 minus x is 36. Okay. So we need to find the 32x. Sorry, the class mark is from the 32x. So the class mark of this 30 and x is 36. Okay. Then how do you get this x value? We can use this formula, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So which is equal to class mark, that is 36. Okay, 30 plus x by 2 equal to 36. Then by 2 you take it this side. So what will you get here? 30 plus x equal to 36 into 2 is 72. X equal to 72 minus 30. So what is that? Answer is 42. So your answer 42 is matching, right? So next question we have your, a number is chosen at random from the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. The probability that square of this number is less than or equal to. Is my voice clear everyone? Yes? Okay. So a number is chosen at random from the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the probability that square of this number is less than or equal to. Now you see, when you square this, -3 square is 9, -2 square is 4, -1 square is 1, and 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and 3 square is 9. Okay, so when you make it square to all the number, the probability of that square of this number is less than or equal to 1. So less than or equal to 1, here we have less than 1 value is that is 0, or equal to 1 we have the 2 values are there. Total we have the 3 values. Okay, less than 1 or equal to 1, like that we have 3 values. Okay, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values, out of 3 values are giving, of 3 values of this space of these values giving less than 1 or equal to 1. Okay, so out of 7 we have your 3 values. Okay, the answer is your 3 by 7. 3 by 7. Okay, the LCM of smallest odd prime number. So which one is smallest odd prime number? That is 3. And greatest 2 digit number, that is 99. So LCM of 3 comma 99 we need to find, right? So how we can write this 3? So 3 we can write as 3 power 1. 99 how we can write? 99 we can write as 9 into 11. 9 we can write as 3 square into 11. Okay, then LCM of 3 comma 99. So you take all the factors with highest power. So if it is a common factor means you have to consider here highest factor you have to consider. So which one is highest factor? 3. In this 3 square is highest power. So you consider 3 square and 11. So answer is 9 into 11, that is 99. So answer is B here. Okay. Next question. If one root of the quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 then is 1, then find the other root. Okay. So just you substitute these 4 and -4, 3 and -3 in this given equation, for which value the equation becomes 0, that is our answer. This is the one way, and another way also there. So just you split the middle term, x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Just you split the middle term. Okay, so if you do the multiply, you have to get 3, and if you add the two numbers you have to get -4. So what are the two numbers? -3 and -1. Okay, so x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. So from the first two term you take x as a common, and from the next two term you take -1 as a common. Okay, so x minus 1 and x minus 3 equal to 0. Then you make x minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1 is other one root already they given. So 1 is the root of given quadratic equation, and one more root is x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3, and this is your answer, right? So x equal to 3. So and just select this answer C. Next question number 14. Which of the following is not the criteria for similarity of two triangles? SAS also similarity is there, SS triple S also there, triple A is there, but RHS congruence rule is there, RHS similarity is not there. Okay, so which one is the correct option here? RHS. So this is not the criteria of similarity of two triangles. Okay, So the answer is D here. The expression sec power 4 theta minus x square theta, so we have to just you do this like this. You take sec square theta as a common, right? Sec square theta you take it out, so this we can write as sec square theta minus 1. Okay, how we can write this sec square theta? So sec square theta we can write as 1 plus tan square theta, and sec square theta minus 1 we can write as tan square theta. So we have identity, right? So what is the identity we have here? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So use this identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Use this identity, okay? So just you multiply this tan square theta with 1. So tan square theta 1 is tan square theta plus tan square theta into tan square theta is tan power 4 theta. So which option is matching here? Tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. So your answer C is matching. So next question we have here. If the length of an arc of a circle subtending an angle theta at the center is numerically equal to the area of the sector formed by it, then the radius of the circle is, okay. If the length of an arc of a circle, so length of an arc of circle subtending an angle theta, then how do you find this? That is, so length, how we can find this? Yes, yeah, what is the formula? Yeah, very good. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r, and this is the formula to find out the length of an arc, then which is numerically equal to area of the sector, then with angle theta. So theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, so here theta by 360 get cancelled, pi get cancelled, both sides. Here r square r get cancelled, so here 2 equal to r, then r equal to 2, then radius of the circle is how much? That is 2. Is it clear, everyone? So we are making these two are equal, right? Length of an arc, this length of an arc is equal to area of the sector. Okay, so length of the arc we can find out by using this formula, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Area of the sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Both side theta by 360 cancel, pi get cancelled, and r square r get cancelled. So where r equal to 2, then radius of the circle is 2. Okay. So next question, in 17th question, there are 16th observations arranged in increasing order of their values in the data. The median will be the value of, okay. So here even observations are there. So total here 16 even observations are there, n equal to 16. Okay, to find this we have a formula. What is that? So for even number we have a formula, n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so use this formula, and this is a average to get the median. So you take this formula, average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so n by 2 is a 16 by 2, that is 8, right? 8 plus 1 is what? 9. So this is the average of 8 and 9 observation. This is a median of 16 observations. Okay, this is the average of 8th and 9th observations. You put a tick mark on C. For odd number you have to, so for odd number, which one you can take here? N plus 1 by 2, yes, median value. Then how do you get the median value for the odd number? This is the formula for the even number. For odd number, median value, how do you get? So median equal for odd number is n plus 1 whole by 2. Okay, this is for the odd number. This is for odd number. For even number, use this formula. Okay. Next question, number 18. If the volume of sphere of radius r is equal to 16 times the volume of hemisphere of radius r, then r is equal to, here we have the volume of sphere of radius r, volume of sphere of radius, okay, capital R, okay. What is the formula of volume of sphere? That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So which is equal to 16 times of volume of the hemisphere, that is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. You take a small r. Okay. So now you cancel by 3 both side cancel, pi both side cancel. So 4 one time, 4 times cancel. Okay. Then we need to find the value of r by capital R by small r. So r by small r whole cube equal to 4 to the 8 by 1. So which we can write as 2 cube by 1 cube. So when you remove the cube both sides, you will get the answer here 2:1, 2 by 1. Okay, the answer here B is matching. So which one is matching here? Answer B is matching. Yeah, this is your answer. The B is your answer, 2:1. And assertion region questions we have here. So in the next question, in the 19th question, what is the assertion? The distance of the point minus 3 comma 5 from the x-axis is 3 units. Yes, it is correct or not? Yes, distance always, that is always shows positive value only. So let us say, just a minute, the distance of the point minus 3 comma 5 from the x-axis. Okay, so this is the x-axis, right? This is the y-axis. Okay, so and let us say this is the point on x-axis minus 3 and this is the point on the y-axis, that is 5. So this point here you will get, right? This is a minus 3 comma 5. Okay, we need to get the distance from the y-axis, distance from the x-axis. So distance from the x-axis is how many units here? 5 units. That is equal to y value. Okay, but here given 3 units, but this is not correct. So assertion is not correct. So assertion is here false. And the reason you read here, abscissa of a point gives the distance of the point from the y-axis. Okay, abscissa means x value. Okay, the x value gives the distance of the point from the y-axis. The y coordinate will give the distance from that point from x-axis. Okay, so the reason is true but assertion is false. So you have to select which answer here? Yes, the answer D you have to select here. So answer D is telling you where assertion is false and reason is true. And come to your question number 20. 2 plus root 2 is an irrational number. The sum of a non-zero rational number and an irrational number is always an irrational number. Yes, and here both assertion reasons both are true, and reason also correct explanation for the assertion. Why? Because the 2 plus root 2 is a irrational number. Root is an irrational number, right? The sum of non-zero rational number, that is 2, and irrational number, that is root 2, and sum of these rational and irrational number always gives irrational number. This is also true. Okay, both assertion and reason is true, and the reason is correct explanation for the assertion. Okay. The section B we have your solve x plus 2y equals 6, 2x plus y equals 6, and hence find the value of p for which y equal to px plus 2. So first you solve this 2 equation and find the x and y value. Just you substitute x and y value in y equal to px plus 2. Okay, and these are the 2 equations. Let us say this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Okay, so equation number just 1 you multiply with 2 and subtract from the equation 2. Okay, so equation 1 we are multiplying with the 2 and we are subtracting from equation 2. So equation 1 into 2 is 2x plus 4y equal to 12. So just you subtract this from this equation, 2x plus y equal to 6. Okay, and just you put minus minus minus. So 2x get cancelled, 4y minus 5 is 3y. 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay, so y equal to 6 by 3, y equal to 2. So put in equation 1, then you will get the x value. So x plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, then in the place of y just you put the value of 2 here, y value. So x plus 4 equal to 6 and x equal to 6 minus 4, x equal to 2, and here x value is 2 and y value also 2. Just you put this x and y value in y equal to px plus 2 equation. Okay. So, what is the equation we have here? Y equal to px plus 2. So, find the p value, just you put the substitute the values of x and y. So, what is the x value? X value is 2, y value also 2. Okay. So, 2p equal to plus 2, when you take it this side it will become minus 2. So, 2p equal to 2 minus 2, that is 0, and p equal to 0 by 2 and p value is 0. Okay. So, we got the p value of 0. This is the next question. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle in which DE is parallel to BC, AD equal to 3 centimeter, BD equal to 4 centimeter, and AC equal to 14 centimeter. Find the length of the AE. Okay, this is the ABC triangle. In this ABC triangle, and DE is parallel to BC, and these two lines are parallel. Okay. So, here AD value is how much they given? So, AD value from up to here is 3 centimeter, and BD value is how much here? BD value is 4 centimeter. Okay. We need to find the length of AE. So, we do not know the value of length of AE. Let us say this is x, and the total length of the AC value they given that. So, how much it is? 14. Then EC will become how much? 14 minus x. Yeah, use the basic proportionality theorem. So, what is that? AD by DB or BD is equal to AE by EC. Okay, from basic proportionality theorem we can apply this. Then apply this, let AE equal to x here, and EC will become 14 minus x. So, as D is parallel to BC, from basic proportionality theorem we can write this. Just you substitute the values and get the x value. So, 3 by 4 is equal to AE value is x and EC value is 14 minus x, and do the cross multiplication. Just 14 minus x and 4x, 3 into 14 minus x, you multiply with 3, this 14 minus x, and 4 into x, 42 minus 3x equal to 4x. Okay. So, I am doing here. So, minus 3x, when you take it this side it will become plus 3x, 4x plus 3x is 7x. So, 42 equal to 7x. So, x equal to 42 by 7, x value is 6. So, where x value is 6 means if x equal to 6, which indicates AE value, right. Therefore, AE is equal to 6. You can write like this. Okay. In the next question, in the given figure, PQR is a triangle in which PS and QT are altitudes from P and Q respectively, intersecting each other at M. Prove the triangle QSM is similar triangle with triangle PTM. Okay. So, in this given that PQR is a triangle in which PS and QT are the altitudes. So, here PS is the altitude, PS and what is that? PS and QT are the altitudes, and this is what? This is, here we have the 90 degrees, and P and Q altitudes from P and Q respectively. So, intersecting each other at M. So, prove that triangle QSM is similar with the triangle PTM. Okay. So, I am taking here triangle QSM. So, which is the triangle QSM? Yeah, this is the triangle QSM. Okay. So, this is the triangle QSM, and the triangle, this is what? This is the triangle PTM. Okay. You select this, both the triangle. Okay. So, in these two triangles, first you see this in triangle QSM, and in triangle PTM. Okay. So, here in both sides we have the 90 degrees, here we have the 90 degrees, and here also we have the, at angle X, angle S is equal to angle T. So, which is equal to how much? 90 degrees, and these two are the vertically opposite angles, yes or no? And these two are the vertically opposite angle. Okay. So, the angle here, that is what? QMS is equal to, yes, QMS is equal to PMT. So, these two are the vertically opposite angles. Okay. By AA similarity we can say that triangle QSM is similar triangle with the triangle PTM. So, by which similarity we can say this? By AA similarity. Okay, by AA similarity we can say this. Okay, so in this way you have to prove. In the next question, okay, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. So O is the center of the circle, and P and PB are the tangents, and these two are the tangents drawn to the circle from external point to P. So we are given the value OP is equal to 10 centimeter and PA value is how much? 8 centimeter. So we need to find the length of the diameter of the circle. Okay, then how do you find this length of the diameter of the circle? First you find the radius. First you join this or you can join this side also, no problem. So you join this side. OA is the radius, right? The line drawn from the center to the tangent is always, you know, that is perpendicular, means radius is perpendicular to the tangent PA. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent to PA. Okay, so what is the value of PA given here? So PA value is given 8 centimeter and OP value also given, that is how much? 10 centimeter. Already you know that in triangle OPA, apply the Pythagoras. Apply the Pythagoras. Yeah, the side opposite to the right angle is called as hypotenuse, right? So OP square is equal to OA square plus PA square. So we can apply this. Use this formula. OP square is nothing but, so this we can write as OP square is 10 square. OA square we need to find, and PA square is 8 square. OA square is equal to, so 10 square is 100, 8 square is 64. So 100 minus 64 is equal to 36. Then OA is equal to root over 36, so which is equal to 6 centimeter. And if radius is 6 centimeter, so what is the diameter? That means OA is radius, right? OA is, we assumed as this is radius. So radius we got 6 centimeter. Then diameter equal to 2 times of radius, that is 2 into 6, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, the answer is diameter is equal to 12 centimeter. So in this way we can solve this. Okay, and now next question, tan A equal to root 3, then find the value of cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, so now you see tan A equal to root 3, for which value the tan becomes root 3? Yes, that is 60 degrees. So here A is equal to 60 degrees, means here tan A we can write as this, we can write as tan 60, then A we can write as 60 degrees. So cos square 60 minus sin square 60, this value you have to do this. Okay, what is the value of cos 60? Yes, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos square 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 minus sin 60. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square value we need to find. The root 3 by 2 whole square value is 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So if denominator is same, we can subtract the numerator. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 4. So 2 1 time, 2 2 times. The answer is minus 1 by 2. So cos square A minus sin square A value is minus 1 by 2. Okay. So here we have the next question. Okay. So in this way, x sin 60 is there. X sin 60 plus cos 30 minus tan 45 equal to root 3 by 2. Then find the value of x. Okay. Then what is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value also root 3 by 2. Tan 45 value is 1, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Just substitute the values. Okay. Just this root 3 x by 2. This root 3 by 2, you take it here this side, it will become minus root 3 by 2. This minus 1 also you take it this side, so it will become plus 1. Okay, so root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 get cancelled. Then root 3 x by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, then write the x value, x equal to 2 by 3, that's all. So root 3 x equal to, by 2 when you take it this side, it will become into 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. X equal to, into root 3 you take it this side, it will become by root 3. So x value is 2 by root 3, and this is the value of x. Okay, this is the value of x equal to 2 by root 3. So next one is In the given figure, ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter. Okay, so side of the square given here 10 centimeter. A sector of radius 5 centimeter is cut out from one of the corners. Find the area of shaded region. Okay, we need to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, then area of the shaded region means, so in this total box is a square, right? And this is what square, this is total is the square. Okay, from this you subtract this sector. Okay, so then you will get the shaded region, and shaded region this part you will get, shaded region this part you will get. Okay, so is it clear? Okay, so next one is to get this shaded region of this figure, just you see ABCD is a square, so area of shaded region, is equal to how we can do this, area of square minus area of sector. Area of square already know that side into side, that is side square. Okay, that is what is the side of the square here? Let us say this is A equal to 10 centimeter, radius equal to 5 centimeter. Area of the square, let us say side square. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, in square the each angle at each vertices is how much? That is 90 degrees. Okay, your theta value is 90 degrees. Okay, and theta value is how much? 90 degrees. And find the area of shaded region now. A square is, that is 10 square, so 10 square minus 90 by 360 into pi into our radius value is 5 square. So here 10 square value is 100, 9 by 36 is 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 25. Okay, 5 square value is 25. So 4 6 are 24 and that is 10, 4 2 are 8, 6.25. So 100 minus 3.14 into 6.25. Just you try to solve this. Then final answer you will get like this. So 80.38 square meter, and this is the area of shaded region. In this way you will get, right? Okay, move on. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. To prove this, to see here, prove that root 5 is an irrational number. So first we have to assume that root 5 is a rational number. Okay, so it can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p comma q are the co-prime integers. Co-prime means they are having only one factor, that is only 1 as a factor. Okay, the numbers which are having only 1 as a factor, they don't have the common factors. Okay, they don't have the common factors. Then root 5 equal to, we can write as a rational number which we can represent in the form of p by q. So this root 5 we have to represent in the form of p by q, that is root 5 equal to p by q. Okay, so on squaring both sides, so what happens here, root 5 square we can write as 5. Okay, p by q square, so you square it, p square by q square. Okay, so this we can write p square by q square. This by q square, when you take it this side, it will become into q square. So 5q square equal to p square. We have written here. Let us assume that this is the equation 1. Okay, so p square is divisible by 5 and p also divisible by 5. For example, if p square is divisible by 5, how we are saying the p square is divisible by 5? So here 5q square, just 5q square is equal to p square. Yes or no? Means here p square is divisible by 5. So here 5 into q square. So we have written this multiple of 5q square. So this we can write like this. So p square is also divisible by 5, then p also divisible by 5. Okay, for example, if 25 is divisible by 5, right? So let us say 25 is a p square, so p square is 25, 25 is divisible by 5, then p value is 5, 5 also divisible by 5, yes or no? P square value, let us assume 100, so this 100 is divisible by 5, then if p square is 100, the p value will become 10, so 10 also divisible by 5, yes or no? Similarly, if p square is divisible by 5, this we can write as p is divisible by 5. Okay, so now yeah, this we can write from equation 1 and 2, we get this 5q square equal to 25m square. So now you see this p we assumed as here p equal to 5m, where m is an integer. Okay, on squaring both sides you will get your p square equal to 25m square. Let us say this is equation number 2. Okay, this is equation 1, and from equation 1 and 2 what will you get here? From equation 1 and 2 what will you get? So in the place of p square, so in the place of p square just you put the value here, that is 25 m square. Okay, so from 1 and 2 what you have to do here, in the place of p square just you put here 25 m square. Okay, just you put 25 m square. So into 5 when you take it this side, so 5q square equal to 25 m square. Okay, then q square equal to 25 by 5, which is equal to q square equal to 5m square. Okay, q square equal to 5m square. So that means here q square is divisible by 5 means q also divisible by 5. So just now I have explained here, the same thing here also we can explain here. Q square is divisible by 5 means the q also divisible by 5. Means here p comma q have the common factors of 5. So this contradicts our assumptions that they are co-primes. Co-primes are only having only one as a factor, they don't have the common factors. But we assume this p comma q are the co-primes, but finally we assume that p comma q have a common factor 5. So this contradicts our assumptions, so that they are co-primes. Therefore from this we can say that root 5 is not a rational number, it is a irrational number. Okay, so in this way you can explain. Is it clear everyone? Okay, of x, y, z and w in the following factor tree. Also write the prime factorization. So answer you see here, when 13 into 7, so this w we can write as 13 into 7. So what is the value of 13 into 7? That is equal to 91. Okay, so the z is we can write as 3 into w. So when w is 91, so 3 into 91 is how much? So 3 into 91 is 273. Okay, and this y we can write as, so y we can write as 2 into 819. Okay, 2 into 819 is how much? 1638. Okay, so this x we can write as 2 into y. So 2 into y, so what is the y here? 2 into 1638, so which is equal to 3276, and this is your answer, right? And now let's move on to the next question. Find a quadratic polynomial each of whose zeros is respectively twice the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Find a quadratic polynomial each of whose zeros is respectively twice the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 5x plus 2. So just you find the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 5x plus 2. So when you multiply these 2 with 2, so you will get here 4 and it is minus 5. So when you multiply any two numbers you have to get 4, when you add the two numbers you have to get the minus 5. So what are those two numbers? Yes, yeah, that is minus 4 into minus 1 is 4, minus 4 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so yeah, 2x square minus 5x plus 2. So this minus 5x we can write as minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. From the first two terms take 2 as a common, 2x as a common, so this you will get x minus 2. From the next two terms you take minus 1 as a common. Okay, so x minus 2 equal to 0, and here we have 2x minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. Then make 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to 1, then x equal to 1 by 2. So this is the one of the 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. These are the zeros of the given equation, x equal to 1 by 2 and x equal to 2. And in the question they given that find a quadratic polynomial each of whose zeros is respectively twice the zeros of the polynomial of 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Okay, so we got this here zeros, x equal to 1 by 2 and x equal to 2. Just you multiply with 2 and you will get the twice of the zeros of this. Alpha is equal to 1 by 2. So alpha is equal to 2 times of x. So let us say this is 2 into 1 by 2. So this is 1. Okay, so one more root, let us say that is beta. Make the twice of it. So one more equation we have, one more root is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Here beta is equal to 4. Now find the quadratic equation which are having the roots of 1 and 0. Then the roots we can write like this: x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. Okay, here alpha value is 1, beta value is 4. So 1 into 4 is equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is our required equation. In the question number 28, A, solve the following system of linear equations graphically. X plus 2y equal to 6 and 3x minus 2y equal to 2. Also write the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and y-axis. Solve the following system of linear equations graphically. X plus 2y equal to 6 and 3x minus 2y equal to 2. And also write the coordinates of the vertices of triangle formed by these lines and y-axis. Okay, and the first equation they given the x plus 2y equal to 6, x plus 2y equal to 6 and 2y equal to 6 minus x and the y equal to 6 minus x by 2. Now you see here we have the x coordinates and y coordinates. In the place of x, just you substitute here minus 4, minus 2, 0 and 2 and 4. Okay, when you take the 6 minus 4, so 6 minus of minus 4, so this will become 6 plus 4 by 2, so which is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Okay, when x coordinate is minus 4, the y coordinate will become 5. Okay, so just you write here 5, just you write here 5. Now when x value is minus 2, so 6 minus of minus 2 by 2, so 6 plus 2 by 2, that is 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. When x coordinate is minus 2, then y coordinate is 4. Okay, just you write here 4, right? So when x value is 0, then what is the y value? So when x value is 0, so then y value will become, in the place of x, you put the 0, 6 minus 0 by 2, so 6 by 2, so which is equal to 3. Okay, when x value is 0, then y value is 3. Okay, just you write here 3. Similarly, when x value is 2, in the place of x, just you put this 2. Okay, now you see y equal to 6 minus 2 by 2, so 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, when x value is 2, y value also 2, and you write here 2. Okay, when the x value is 4, so in the place of x, just you substitute 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, so 2 by 2 equal to 1. Okay, so when x value is 4, then what is the y value? Y value is 1. Similarly, you make the coordinates for next equations, that is what 3x minus 2y equal to 2. Okay, so you make the coordinates for next equation, that is 3x minus 2y equal to 2. Right, now take the next equation. What is that? 3x minus 2y equal to 2. So then this 2y you take it this side, then 2 you take it here. 3x minus 2y equal to 2, then y equal to 3x minus 2 by 2. Okay, so now you put the values of x and y, So just you take the values -4, -2, 0, 2 and 4. Okay, when x value is -4, the what is the y value? Just from this equation you find out the y value. So when x value is -4, then the y value become 3 into -4 -2 by 2. 3 into -4 is -12 -2 by 2. How much it is? -14 by 2, which is equal to -7. Okay, when x value is -4, what is the y value? Y value what you will get here? That is -7. Similarly, when the x value is -2, so 3 into -2 -2 by 2. 3 into -2 is -6 -2 by 2, that is -8 by 2. So -8 by 2 value is -4. Okay, so when x value is -2, what is the y value? That is -4. So y value is -4. Okay, so when the x value is 0, then what is the y value? Check that when x value is 0, what is the y value? So in the place of x you put 0. So 3 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 by 2, which is equal to -2 by 2, which is equal to -1. Okay, when x value is 0, y value is -1. So when x value is 2, what is the y value? So when x value is 2, so just you find the y value. 3 into 2 minus 2 by 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 by 2 equal to 2. Okay, so when x value is 2, y value also 2. Similarly, you find the next value also. So when x value is 4, so 3 into 4 12. 12 minus 2 10. So 12 minus 2 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 is how much here? 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so the value is 5. So you write here 5, this coordinate. So when x value is when x value is -4, so first equation, right? For x value is -4, what is the y value? Y value is 5. So -4 5. So these 2 points, okay, intersecting of these 2 points, you put joining of these 2 lines, you put one point here. Okay, so just you put the point here. And the next one is when x value is -2, what is the y value? Y value 4. So it is the x value is -2 and y value is 4 here. Okay, the intersecting point of these 2 lines, you put here point. So just you put here point when x value is -2, y value is 4. Similarly, when x value is 0, what is the y value? Y value is 3. So here x value is 0 and the y value is 3. So you put the point here. Okay, so you put the point in y axis, x equal to 0 comma 3. Similarly, now you see when x value is 2, what is the y value? So when x value is 2, y value also 2. So x value is 2, y value is 2. X value is 2, y value also 2. Okay, when x value is 4, what is the y value? When x value is 4, y value also 4. Okay, now you join these points. Okay, this is the equation, this is the straight line, and this straight line represent the equation 3x minus 2y, no sorry, x plus 2y equal to 6. What is the equation it represents? X plus 2y equal to 6. Similarly, you plot the graph for the next equation. You see here, come to here. When x value is -4, what is the y value? -7. So x value is -4. What is the y value? So y value is -7. So just you write here -7. So this is the line intersecting -4 and the line joining the -4 and -7 points. You put here the dot mark. Next one is when x value is -2 and y value also -4. So x value is -2, y value is -4. This is the -2 comma -4 point. When x value is 0, so when x value is 0, what is the y value? Y value is -1. When x value is 0, what is the y value? Y value is -1. Okay, put a point here. Next one, when x value is 2, y value also 2. So just you put a point here. Then when x value is 4, what is the y value? Y value is 5. Okay, So now you join these points, you will get one line here. So this is a line, you will get this. Okay, just a minute. Okay, and this line represents the equation 3x minus 2y equal to 2. 3x minus 2y equal to 2, and the intersecting of these points give the solution of these two equations. So this is the what is the point? It is 2 comma 2. What is the point? It is 2 comma 2. And here we can get one triangle, right? So this is a triangle you will get here. What is the triangle? It is, so let us say this is a triangle, and we need to find the write the coordinates of the write the coordinates of the vertices of triangle formed by these lines and y-axis. Okay, these lines and y-axis. Okay, so here we have a one triangle, right? Just you write the coordinates of this triangle. So this is 2 comma 2. So let us say this is a point A, and let us say this is a point B, so that is 0 comma minus 1, and this is the point yeah, here x value is 0, y value is 3. Okay, and the points, let us say this is a point C, and this is a triangle, and this is a triangle, right? So just a minute. So this is a triangle, ABC triangle, and the A coordinates is 2 comma 2, and B coordinates are 0 comma minus 1, and the C coordinate is 0 comma 3. And just you shade this triangle part. Okay, highlight this triangle part, and this is your question number 28. Okay, so move on to the next question. Question number 28 B. 16 years ago, at the time of marriage, Ajay was 5 years elder to his wife. The present ages of the wife and the Ajay are in the ratio 8:9. Find their ages at the time of their marriage. 16 years ago, at the time of marriage, Ajay was 5 years elder to his wife. Ajay's age at the time of marriage be x years. Let his wife's age at the time of marriage be y years. Okay, according to question, how we can write this? Ajay age at the time of marriage x years, his wife age is y years. What is the age gap between them? That is 5 years. Okay, so x equal to y plus 5. Okay, so this we can write x minus y equal to 5. Let us say this is equation 1. Now the present age of the wife and Ajay are in the ratio 8:9. First you take the wife age, and next you take the Ajay age. They are in the ratio 8:9. So which is the wife age here? Y is the wife age, right? 16 years ago means 16 years from now, the present age will become you have to add plus 16 to both their ages. Okay, we have taken the ages at their marriages. Now their age will become plus 16 after 16 years you are seeing now. Okay, after 16 years his wife age will become y plus 16, and Ajay age will become x plus 16. They are in the ratio of 8/9. Okay, you do the cross multiplication. So this 9 into y plus 16, so this 9 you multiply with y plus 16, and 8 you multiply with x plus 16. Okay, this we can write as 9y plus, so what is the value of 9 into 16? Yes, that is 144. 8x, yes, 8 6 are 48, 828 plus 4, so that is 128. Okay, so this we can rearrange like this: 8x minus 9y. So this 128 you take it this side, this will become 144 minus 128. 8x minus 9y equal to 16. So let us say this is equation number 2. Okay, so to eliminate the y terms, so what we are doing here, what we have to done here, so just solve these two equation by elimination method. So equation 1 just you multiply with 9. Okay, so equation 1 you just multiply with 9, you will get 9x minus 9y equal to 45. Okay, then you subtract it from 2. So what is the equation 1 we have here? X minus y equal to 5. So equation 1 you multiply with 9, then subtract it from second equation. Okay, now you see what is the first equation we have. So equation 1, 9x minus 9y is equal to 45. Then equation 2 we have here 8x minus 9y equal to 16. For subtraction you have to change the signs. You put here minus, this is plus, this will become minus. Okay, so 9y get cancelled. 9x minus 8x is x. Okay, so 45 minus 16, so this will become how much? So that is I think it is 29. Okay, so x equal to 29 of Ajay at the time of his marriage equal to 29 years, right? Then you find the age of his wife at the time of their marriage and put it x equal to 29. So put in equation 1. So equation 1 is, what is the equation 1 we have here? X minus y equal to 5. So that is 29 minus y equal to 5. So y equal to 29 minus 5. So which is equal to 24. Means Ajay age at the time of their marriage is 29. Wife age is 24 years. Okay. Your answer. Is it clear everyone? Okay. Minus cos a by cot a plus cos a equal to sec a minus tan a whole square. A minus cos a by cot a plus cos a equal to, we need to sec a minus tan a whole square. So you take LHS. So cot a you write as cos a by sin a minus cos a by cot a we can write as cos a by sin a plus cos a. Okay, you take cos a common from this step. So cos a, so this we can write as 1 by sin a minus 1 whole by, you take common from here cos a into 1 by sin a plus 1. So both side cos a get cancelled. Okay, so the next step, this sin a into 1 is how much? 1 minus sin a by sin a by 1 plus sin a by sin a. Okay, sin a get cancelled. Now in the next step what you have to do, 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a, just you multiply numerator and denominator with 1 minus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Okay, so this we can write as 1 minus sin a into 1 minus sin a is 1 minus sin a whole square 1 plus sin a. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So this we can write as a square minus b square. So this we can write as 1 minus sin square a. Okay, so 1 minus sin a whole square, then we have identity, right? 1 minus sin square a we can write as cos square a. Okay, you take square common, 1 minus sin a by cos a whole square equal to, so this we can write as, you split the denominator, so this we can write as 1 by cos a minus sin a by cos a whole square. So 1 by cos a we can write as sec a, and sin a by cos a we can write as tan a. So sec a minus tan a whole square. So this is equal to RHS. So your LHS value is equal to RHS. Hence we prove this. Here, the numbers on a die are replaced by the first 6 even numbers. The die is rolled once. Find the probability that the number appearing on the die is greater than 4, divisible by 3, not a multiple of 10. Okay, actually the die has a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if these numbers are replaced by the first even numbers, means these numbers we replaced with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Okay, then the die is rolled once. Find the probability that the number appearing on the die is greater than 4. Okay, greater than 4, here we have 4 numbers. Out of 6, here we have the 4 numbers, that is those are from 6 to 12. Okay, the probability of getting greater than 4 is, okay, number of events here 4. Total number of events are 6. 4 by 6 we can write as 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, that is 2 by 3. And the probability of the number which is divisible by 3. So the numbers which are divisible by 3 are 3 2 is 6 and 3 4 is 12, and these two numbers are the divisible by, out of 6 here we have the two numbers which are divisible by 3. Okay, so then probability of getting divisible by 3, which are divisible by 3, those are two numbers, those are 6 and 12. Out of 6, 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, not a multiple of 10. So what are the numbers is not a multiple of 10? Means that numbers which are not comes under 10 table. Those are 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. How many numbers are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are not a multiple of 10. Then probability of getting not a multiple of 10. So out of 6 here we have 5 numbers are there which are not multiple of 10. So that is answer is 5 by 6, and this is your answer. The given figure triangle PQR describes the circle if Px equal to 10 centimeter and Qy equal to 8 centimeter and Rz equal to 6 centimeter, then find the perimeter of triangle PQR. Now you see the length of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So use that point. So now this Px and the Pz, and these are the tangents which are drawn from the one external point, that is P, and these two lengths are equal, means Px equal to Pz, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Px equal to Pz, which is equal to 10 centimeter, means this is also 10 centimeter. Similarly, you see from the Q point, so where Qx and Qy are both are similar. Here Qy is 8y and Qy is the tangent. The length of the Qy tangent is 8 and the length of the Qx also 8. Why? Because and these two tangents are drawn from same external point. Okay, so here we can write as Qy is equal to Qx, which is equal to 8 centimeter, and this is you have to write here 8 centimeter. Okay, and similarly we have your RZ. So you see the tangent drawn from the external point R and Z, and these both are having same lengths. So your RZ value is 6, then RY also 6. You write your this 6 centimeter. RZ is equal to RY, which is equal to 6 centimeter, and these are the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. You have to write here the length of a tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay, and the next one we need to find the length of the sides of a triangle. Okay, so how do you get this PQ? So PQ is the length of 10 plus 18. 10 plus 8. So 10 plus 8 is how much? 18. So PQ length is 18 centimeter. Similarly, QR length is a combination of QY plus YR, that is 8 plus 6, that is how much? 14 centimeter. And PR is the length of the other side, that is the third side. It is a combination of PZ plus RZ. So that will give the length of PR. 10 plus 6 is 16 centimeter. Okay, we need to find the perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle means you have to add all these values. Perimeter of triangle equal to 18 plus 14 plus 16, which is equal to 48. Okay, 48 centimeter. You add all the lengths, that is PQ plus QR plus PR. Okay, and this is the perimeter of triangle. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Question we have here: hemispherical depressions are scooped out from two opposite faces of a solid wooden cubical block of side 14 centimeter. If the diameter of the each hemisphere is equal to the side of the cube, find the volume of the remaining solid wooden block. Now you see, and this is the, in this given figure, let us assume this is a cubic solid wood for cubical face of one side. So from this we scooped hemispherical shape, and which is having the diameter is equal to side of the cube. Then we need to find the volume of remaining wooden block, means we need to find this remaining wooden block volume. Okay, so to find this volume of remaining solid wooden block is equal to volume of cube minus 2 into volume of hemisphere. So what are the given things we have here? Then side of the cube, they given that here 14 centimeter, and diameter of the hemisphere also 14 centimeter. Then radius, how will you get? Radius equal to 14 by 2. Okay, radius equal to 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Okay, so volume of cube is a cube minus 2 into volume of hemisphere. What is the formula of volume of hemisphere? That is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Cube means here 14 cube, 14 into 14 into 14 minus 2 into 2 is 4 by 3, pi value is 22 by 7, and r cube means 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, now you do this calculation, 14 into 14 into 14, when you multiply this you will get here 2744, and just you cancel this 7 and 7, and 4 to the 88, 88 into 49, 88 into 49 by 3. Okay, so 2744 minus 88 into 49 is 4312 by 3. Okay, so when you do this calculation you will get 3 into 2744 minus 4312. When you do this you will get this number 3920 by 3. Okay, so r we can write this, when you when you divide with the 3 you will get this number 1306.66 centimeter cube, and this is the volume of remaining solid wooden block. Is it clear, everyone? Okay.